Hey Python learners, in this video we'll be learning how to make a cuboid using the Python Turtle library. For more such videos, you can refer to my Learn Python series. So let's get started. At first, we will import the Turtle library as T, and then we will make a rectangle. So as you can see here, this side is of 100 pixels and this is of 200 pixels. So let us make one rectangle. So for I in range 2, t dot forward 100, and then we'll write t dot right 90, then t dot forward 200, and then t dot right 90. So let us run this program, and okay, we'll also add t dot main loop. Then we'll run this program and see if the rectangle is made. Oh, so this is first. We'll just set this. Okay, so we are ready now. Let's just see. So this rectangle is made. Now the next thing is to rotate it by 45 degrees because this is 45 degrees. So we'll rotate it by 45 degrees towards left, and then we'll move 100. Let us see the further step also. So now we'll have to rotate it again by 45 degree. This time it is towards the right, because this one is 45. So this one is 45 and this will be 180 minus 45, and we can simply rotate it by 45 degree towards right, and then again we can move 100. So let us just close this. So first it was to rotate it towards left by 45 and then forward by 100. Then it was to rotate it 45 towards right and then again forward by 100. So let us see. Okay, so this is made. Now the next thing is to make this line. So for that, we'll have to rotate it towards right by 135 and then we'll move forward by 100. So what we're writing is to rotate it 135 degree towards right, and then we'll move forward by 100. Okay, so this is made. Next thing is to make this rectangle. For that, we can move it backward like this, and then we can move by 200 here and then 100 here. So for that, what we will do is we will write t dot backward 100, so it will move backward here. Then if we do 45 degree towards left, then it will rotate it towards here, and then we'll move 200. After that, we can move right by 45 degree because this one angle will be right in, and so we'll see it further. First we will make t dot map backward. Backward was 100, I suppose, and then left by 45. Then we'll move forward by 200, and after that we'll just see where to rotate a total. Okay, and now if we see it here, we need to rotate it like this, so it will be right 45. This angle will be 45 degrees, so right 45 and then we'll forward by 100. So t dot right will be 45 and then forward by 100. Okay, so let us see. So this much is made. Now, next thing is we need to make these three lines. So to make these lines, what can we do is we can first rotate it towards right. So right by 45 will be this line, and we can make again on this line. So we'll overlap one on this line, and then we can complete the square by rotating it towards right 135, then we'll move forward by 100, and the further we'll see then. Okay, so what we thought was to first rotate it by right 45, and then we'll move forward by 100. Thereafter to rotate it towards right by 135, and then we'll move forward by 100, I suppose. Let us run this and see. Okay, so this much is made. Now the next thing is to complete this. So to complete this, we'll rotate it towards right by 45 because this will be 45-degree, and we'll move forward by 100. And then we to complete this, we'll see after we make this line. So what was it? To rotate it 45 and move 100. So our cursor is here. Now we need to make this line so we can move it backward by 100, and then we can rotate it towards left and move this much. So this height is 200. So what I said was to move backward by 100 and then rotate it left by 90. And then again we need to move forward by 200 this time. So you can see the result here, and a cuboid is made. Let us hide this turtle. So we will be writing here t dot hide turtle, and a cuboid is going to make. So yeah, we are done with the shape of a cuboid. So what we did was we first made this rectangle, and then we moved here like this and like this. Then we moved it here and like this. So this was how we made this cuboid, and you can make many much more shapes using this method. Thanks for watching the video.